Although it is quite alarming to learn about the presence of a foreign vessel, much more a Russian attack submarine within the country's exclusive economic zone, there is such a thing called freedom of navigation, according to vessels that are not considered to be a threat. Still, even the president found the development alarming but left its handling to the capable hands of the Philippine Navy. PTV's Patrick De Jesus has more.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. considers any intrusion into the country's exclusive economic zone alarming. This after a Russian attack submarine UFA 490 was spotted on November 28 in the West Philippine Sea, 80 nautical miles west of Cape Calavite in Occidental Mindoro. The president has left the matter to the military.
That's very concerning. Any intrusion into the West Philippine Sea of our EEZ or of our baselines is very worrisome.
According to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Philippine Navy's BRP Jose Rizal frigate promptly escorted the Russian submarine. The Navy also deployed aircraft to monitor the submarine's movements. The AFP stated that the Russian submarine's crew responded to radio communication, saying they had come from Malaysia after a military exercise with the Royal Malaysian Navy. They were reportedly waiting for weather conditions to improve before continuing their journey back to their naval base in Vladivostok, Russia.
Nabigla kami. Bakit may na-detect ang Russian submarine? Sapagkat hindi naman pangkaraniwan na may dumadaan sa atin na submarine, ang kagandahan doon, nakapag-responde naman tayo, yung ating mga aircraft at ating mga barko.
No illegal activity was observed from the Russian submarine, which surfaced while passing through the West Philippine Sea.
In the same manner, pag ang ating mga barko naman, for example, napunta sa ibang bansa at dumaan doon sa exclusive economic zone ng ibang bansa, they are also given the right of freedom of navigation and innocent passage. Basta wala naman silang ginagawang mali or dabag sa mga batas ng bansang yun.
For a maritime law expert, the passage of the Russian submarine cannot be considered a threat.
It cannot be a threat because it's a submarine on the surface. That's not a threat. Since it's on the surface, it's actually announcing itself.
From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.